Greetings from River Gold Eco Packaging Solutions. Today we are testing a biodegradable carry bag. We use a chemical called deseal or methane and it dissolves organic compound. So we have taken black carry bag. Fines are being applied on plastic and consumer trend is changing to new direction. Business with biodegradable products are appreciated and supported. These bags are strong and durable. As we could see, this bag is completely compostable and hence safe to use for daily essentials. Thank you.